What if you could take two proven trading strategies from legendary investors and merge them into one powerful stock screen? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that inside ChartMill. We're combining William O'Neill's CANSLIM growth approach with Mark Minervini's pure price action trend template to uncover a select list of high-performance growth stocks in strong uptrends. Before we start clicking around, let me quickly explain what these two screens are all about. O'Neill's famous CANSLIM strategy targets high-quality growth stocks with strong revenue and earnings growth while keeping debt levels manageable. The screen in ChartMill focuses on a number of important fundamental and technical filters, but don't forget that CANSLIM is much more than just a series of ratios and figures. Each letter in the acronym stands for a crucial part of the strategy. For example, the N stands for new, meaning new products, new companies, new management, or even new all-time price highs. I've included a link below to the full CANSLIM breakdown if you want to dig deeper into all 7 letters of the acronym. On the other side, Minervini's trend template is a pure price action filter designed to capture stocks in a strong, confirmed uptrend, also known as Stage 2 stocks. Again, I've added a link below with a full explanation of the trend template rules if you want more details. Now here's where the magic happens. By combining these two screens, we narrow down the market to a focused list of top-performing growth stocks that are also in a powerful uptrend. Start from the home page and go to the Trading Ideas page. Next, select Growth Investing and check ChartMill screens only. You'll see O'Neill's CANSLIM High Growth screen right away. If you want more details, click More Info. I'm going to hit Run, which takes me straight to the stock screener, showing all the current CANSLIM results. Now gather these results into a watch list. Click the plus sign in the blue bar on the right. A column with your saved screens will appear. Scroll down, click Create New, give it a name like CANSLIM September 22nd, and hit Enter. ChartMill will now store all these stocks in a new watch list. Finally, head back to Trading Ideas and select Mark Minervini's trend template. Be careful, there are several Minervini screens. Make sure to choose the one focused only on the trend template. Click Run. In the next screen, we'll apply these parameters only to the CANSLIM watchlist we just created. Open the General tab, go to the Watchlist dropdown, and choose your new CANSLIM list. ChartMill will now display only the CANSLIM stocks that also meet the trend template criteria. And that's it. You've successfully combined two powerhouse strategies into a single, super-focused screen. Now it's your turn. Experiment with this combo, tweak the filters, or add your own criteria to create an even more personalized trading setup. Combining existing trading ideas is a great way to zero in on the market's strongest opportunities and allows you to discover many new possibilities. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below for the full CANSLIM and trend template breakdowns. Happy trading, and may your next big winner be just a screen away.